It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. When your job calls for muscle, this truck over-delivers. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Chevrolet MyLink external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and Bluetooth streaming audio. Kelley Blue Book explains whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.